Very nice good morning to all of you. I am Roshan Kumar of Maths Teachers, Modern English School, Nevada. Students, today I am going to discuss some examples of exercise 7C. So, the first example number 9. 9 number example. ABCD is a trapezium in which AB parallel DC and AB equal to 2DC. If the diagonals of the trapezium intersect each other at a point O, find the ratio of the areas of triangle AOB and COD. So first of all, we draw a diagram. AB equal to 2DC. A, B, C and D. Diagonals so students, ABCD is a trapezium. Okay, given ABCD is a trapezium in which AB parallel DC and AB equal to 2DC. Okay. Find the ratio of triangle AOB and triangle COD. So now in triangle AOB and triangle COD. Okay students, in triangle AOB and COD. Students, AB is parallel to DC and AC is the transversal. Then we write the angle OAB is equal to angle OCD, alternate interior angle, and AB is parallel to DC and BD is the transversal. Then we write कि angle ABO is equal to angle ODC. Okay, angle ABO and angle ODC are the alternate interior angle. So students, angle OAB equal to angle OCD, alternate interior angles, and angle OBA equal to ODC, alternate interior angles. So triangle AOB is similar to triangle COD, angle similarity. Okay, and we know that the two triangles are similar. The ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equal to the ratio of the square of their corresponding sides. Then area of triangle AOB divided by area of triangle COD equal to AOB is the AB square divided by CD square. Okay, so AB equal to 2DC. तो 2DC का स्क्वायर बाई DC का स्क्वायर, 2 टू या 4DC स्क्वायर डिवाइडेड बाई DC स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 4/1. So find the ratio of the areas of two similar triangles AOB and COD. So a ratio of area of triangle AOB divided by ratio of triangle COD equal to 4:1. Okay. Hence area of triangle AOB is to area of triangle COD equal to 4:1. So question number 11. D, E and F are respectively the midpoints of side AB, BC and CA of triangle ABC. A triangle ABC, okay. D, E and F are the midpoints of side AB, BC and CA respectively. D is the midpoint of AB, E is the midpoint of BC and F is the midpoint of AC. Okay. Find the ratio of the areas of triangle DEF and triangle ABC. Okay. So let's start the solution. Given a triangle ABC in which D, E and F are the midpoints of side AB, BC and CA respectively. Okay. So D and F are the midpoints since D and F are the midpoints of side AB and AC and AC respectively. Then we write DF is parallel to BC by midpoint theorem. Okay. What do you mean by midpoint theorem? A line segment joining the midpoint of any two sides of a triangle. The line segment joining the midpoints of any two sides of a triangle is parallel to the third side and half of it. Okay. So DF is parallel to BC and DF equal to half BC. Okay. So DF is parallel to BC. Then we write DF is parallel to BE. DF is parallel to BE. DF is parallel to BE and EF are the midpoints of side AC and BC. Then EF is parallel to BD. Similarly, EF is parallel to BD. Then we say that B quadrilateral BEFD is a parallelogram. Okay. For parallelogram, two pairs of the opposite sides are parallel in a quadrilateral. This quadrilateral is called a parallelogram. For BEFD is a parallelogram. So we write angle B equal to angle EFD. Angle EFD. Okay. Students, DF is parallel to EC. Again, DF is parallel to EC and D and E are the midpoint for side AB and BC. So similarly DE is parallel to FC and DE is parallel to FC because D and E are the midpoints of side AB and BC. Okay, so we say that the quadrilateral ECFD is a parallelogram. ECFD is a parallelogram. Then this angle equal to this angle, and so angle ECF equal to angle C equal to angle EDF. Okay, now in triangle DEF and triangle CAB, EFD equal to angle B and angle EDF equal to angle C. So we say that the triangle DEF is similar to triangle CAB. Okay, angle similarity. So find the ratio of the areas of triangle DEF and triangle ABC. So area of triangle DEF divided by area of triangle ABC, equal to area of triangle DEF divided by area of triangle CAB equal to, find the ratio, equal to DF square divided by BC square, DF square divided by BC square. So DF equal to half BC का whole square divided by BC square equal to half BC. It means 1/4 BC square divided by BC square equal to 1/4. Hence area of triangle DEF and area of triangle ABC, the ratio of the triangle DEF and the triangle ABC equal to 1:4. So 1:4. Well, prove that the area of an equilateral triangle described on one side of a square is equal to half the area of an equilateral triangle described on one of its diagonal. It means ABCD is a square. A, B, C and D. AC is the diagonal of the square ABCD, and one equilateral triangle is described on the side of the square, and one is described on the diagonal of the square, and the side is A and A. Root AC equal to root 2 into A. Diagonal of the square equal to root 2 into side. Okay, so equilateral triangle, this is 60 degree and 60 degree. This is 60 degree and 60 degree and 60 degree equilateral triangle. So given a square ABCD and equilateral triangle DCE and equilateral triangle BC and triangle ACF have been described on side BC and diagonal AC and diagonal AC respectively. Okay, so if ABCD is a square and BEC is an equilateral triangle described on side BC of a square ABCD, and other equilateral triangle ACF is described on the diagonal of a square ABCD. Okay, so to prove that area of triangle BCE equal to half into area of triangle ACF. Okay, so proof. First of all, student, BEC, triangle BCE and triangle ACF are equiangular triangle because triangle BCE is an equilateral triangle and each angle equal to 60 degree, and triangle ACF is an equilateral triangle and each angle is 60 degree. So triangle BCE and triangle ACF are equiangular triangles. So we say that a triangle BCE and triangle ACF are equiangular. Then triangle BCE is similar to triangle ACF. Okay, and we know that the ratio of the similar triangles, area of the ratio of the similar triangles is equal to the square of the corresponding side, the ratio of the square of their corresponding side. So now area of triangle BCE divided by area of triangle ACF equal to BC square divided by AC square. Okay, and BC equal to A, so here A square, and AC square, so AC equal to root 2A and root 2A का whole square. So A square by 2A square. A square is cancelled. So area of triangle BCE divided by area of triangle ACF equal to 1 by 2. Okay, 1 by 2, and hence area of triangle BCE equal to half area of triangle ACF. Okay. Next question number 13. Prove that the area of an equilateral triangle described on a side of a right angled isosceles triangle. Right angle isosceles triangle. ABC. ABC is the right angle. A, B, and C is the right angle triangle. Isosceles right angle in which AB and BC sides are equal. Okay, and it legs of the right angle triangles are equal. It means perpendicular and base are equal. Okay, isosceles triangle is half the area of the equilateral triangle described on its hypotenuse. यानी इसके हाइपोटेनस पे जो इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल है उसके एरिया के आधा यानी कि हाफ बी डी ए ट्रायंगल बी ए डी इक्वल टू हाफ एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल ए सी ए ई. Okay, so given a triangle ABC in which angle ABC is 90 degree, angle AB equal to 90 degree, and AB equal to BC equal to x unit. AB equal to BC equal to x unit, and triangle BAD and triangle CAE are an equilateral triangles. Okay, to prove that area of triangle BAD, area of triangle BAD equal to half into area of triangle CAE. Okay, क्योंकि AB equal to BC equal to x, so find AC. AC equal to root under AB square plus BC square equal to x square plus x square equal to 2x square equal to root 2x. Okay, in right triangle ABC and at angle B equal to 90 degree. Okay, so AB equal to BC equal to x unit, and hypotenuse h by pu, hypotenuse AC equal to root under AB square plus BC square, x square plus x square, root 2x square, root 2 into x. So this side equal to root 2x. Okay, so triangle BAD and triangle CAE are equiangular. Because each angle, क्योंकि triangle BAD and CAE are an equilateral triangle and each angle equal to 60 degree. This angle 60 degree, 60 degree and 60 degree. These are 60 degree, 60 degree and 60 degree. So triangle BAD is similar to triangle CAE. Okay, क्योंकि triangle BAD and CAE are equiangular, then BAD is similar to triangle CAE. And triangle BAD is similar to triangle CAE, then we know that the ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equal to the square of the ratio of their corresponding sides. So area of triangle BAD divided by area of triangle CAE equal to AB square by CA square. Okay, AB equal to x, for x square, and CA square equal to root 2x का whole square. This is 2x square. X square is cancel and 1 by 2. Hence area of triangle BAD equal to half into area